Blocks, blocks, blocks. What are they? Why do I need to use blocks? Can't my app simply work after adding the components? Every non-programmer will come across these types of questions while starting to use App Inventor. In fact, I myself was confused about the blocks section at the beginning. So let me help you clear all those doubts. When you use any app, you are just seeing the things which are visible on the screen. But there is a lot of programming done in the beforehand by the developer, which commands the app to work in that way. For example, let us assume you have clicked a cart button in an e-commerce app, and the next thing which is visible on the screen of your phone are the list of items that you have added, their individual costs, total costs, any tax, and few other recommended products. If you break down what the app is doing here, then you will realize that it is collecting the info of the selected items. It is collecting the information about the quantity of each item. Then it is calculating the total cost and also the taxes. It is refining the recommendations based on the products in your cart and much more. So the cart page cannot show the information if all these operations have not been programmed by the app developer. Wait, you may be thinking App Inventor is a no-code app development platform, then why should I need to program the app? Yes, it's true that you don't need to program, but as you are the mind behind it, you should be able to command it to work in the way that you want. And that is why App Inventor has blocks. Blocks are ready-made puzzle-like pieces which are very easy to understand and command the phone. The main application of blocks is that it eliminates typing of code and hence errors due to mistakes in typing known as syntax errors are eliminated. Every operation in the app is dependent on the user's intent. In fact, the opening of the app is also due to his or her intention of using it. In App Inventor 2, we can allow the user to interact with the help of user interface components and drawing components. The interaction is then detected by the event blocks like when button 1 clicked, do, when screen 1 initialized, do, and more. After an interaction takes place, we want the app to perform specific operation connected to it. An operation is created using a combination of different blocks, and then we connect it to an event block so that it will run every time when a particular interaction has taken place between the user and the app. Broadly, the type of blocks can be classified into two categories: built-in blocks and component blocks. Built-in blocks are available to help us in various operations like comparing, these are done by logic blocks, arranging, this is done by lists, adding, which is done by math blocks, and more. Whereas the blocks of different components are helpful in using their features. The component blocks can be further classified as event blocks, method blocks, commands, expressions, and more. A combination of different blocks are used to create operations like calculating percentage, moving to a new screen, saving contacts, opening a web page, playing a video, capturing an image, and whatever you want the app to do.